we would like to introduce you to some basic computer vocabulary. First of all, the computer is an object that is made up of hardware components: a processor to do the math, a hard disk to store information, memory, also called RAM, to run applications, and peripherals: keyboard, mouse, screen, printer, and so forth.
But the hardware alone does not make up the whole computer. In addition, we have software to instruct the hardware components what to do. Software is basically computer code that runs on the computer and includes the operating system, as well as all the applications installed on the computer.
Hardware and software work together hand in hand, ideally, to provide services to users or to solve problems. In order to be able to provide these services, application developers, those who create the software, create so-called algorithms.
An algorithm is a sequence of instructions, pretty much like a cooking recipe. It provides a set of steps to follow in order to achieve a desired result. Well, a program is an algorithm that is implemented, written, in a certain programming language, for example, a C programming language.
Just as in a cooking recipe we typically start by looking at the ingredients, a program typically needs input data that is supposed to be processed in some form. Next, a cooking recipe shows a set of steps to be performed in order to prepare and cook the ingredients. Similarly, a computer program contains computer code that represents a sequence of commands to be executed in order to process the input data. In the kitchen, we hopefully end up with a tasty dish. Similarly, the program hopefully creates the desired output.
So altogether, we start with input data to a program, process this data with the algorithm, and end up with output data. We often simply speak of program input and program output.
So now you're able to identify and name the different components of a computer.